A2Z is working on the project in Stamford. The client has hired us to replace the existing deck located on the back of the house. The project will involve tearing down the current deck and installing a new one, which includes a new frame for the main platform, a fresh staircase, new posts, a new railing system, a new decking surface, and new ladders around the deck. All materials used for this project will be pressure treated. The deck was constructed in accordance with the building codes of Stamford, Connecticut. We have submitted final design plans and obtained the necessary permits to begin and complete the work. Contact us if you're interested in replacing or constructing a new deck. A2Z specializes in utilizing pressure-treated materials, Trex materials, or any other synthetic options you may have in mind. Be sure to watch this video until the end.
A2Z, from concept to creation, we build your dreams. Contact us today for a free estimate for your project.